Welcome back to KK Autos. Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two impressive SUVs, the Oshan X7 Plus and the Haval H6. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to see which one stands out. Let's start with the first contender, the Oshan X7 Plus. Today we're diving into the all-new Oshan X7 Plus, a true masterpiece of engineering and design that redefines the standards for modern SUVs. The Oshan X7 Plus is a perfect blend of boldness and sophistication. From its striking front grille and sleek LED headlights to its aerodynamic silhouette, this car turns heads on every road. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful insert engine speech, delivering a seamless balance between performance and efficiency. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the X7 Plus, with features like adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera, lane keeping assist, and advanced driver assistance systems to ensure you and your family travel with peace of mind. Step inside the cabin and you're welcomed by a world of luxury and innovation. The interior is crafted with premium materials featuring ventilated leather seats, ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a massive touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Starting with the front seats, they're crafted with premium leather and feature intricate stitching, giving a luxurious and sporty vibe. Both seats are ventilated and heated with full electric adjustability and memory settings for ultimate convenience. The centerpiece is the futuristic dashboard, equipped with a massive infotainment screen and a fully digital instrument cluster, offering a seamless tech experience. Moving to the back seats, the luxury continues. The spacious rear cabin provides ample legroom and headroom, ensuring maximum comfort for passengers. The reclining rear seats are finished with the same premium materials, and the central armrest includes cup holders and climate control access. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds to the sophisticated ambiance. The Oshan X7 Plus truly sets the standard for luxury interiors, combining cutting-edge technology with world-class craftsmanship. Whether you're cruising in the city or taking on rugged terrains, the Oshan X7 Plus delivers unparalleled comfort, style, and capability. It's truly a car designed for those who demand the best of every. Now it's time for the Haval H6. A standout in the midsize SUV segment. On the exterior, the H6 impresses with its bold and sleek design, showcasing a dynamic front grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted body lines that create an aggressive yet refined look. The strong stance is complemented by chrome accents, large alloy wheels, and a distinctive rear tailgate design, making it a true head-turner on the road. Inside, the Haval H6 offers a luxurious, tech-forward cabin. The spacious interior is crafted with premium materials, featuring soft-touch surfaces and contemporary design elements. A large digital touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, complemented by intuitive controls and seamless smartphone integration. The plush seats provide excellent comfort, with ample space for both front and rear passengers. Advanced safety features and a panoramic sunroof add to the driving experience, making the H6 a perfect blend of style, comfort, and modern technology. The Haval H6's panoramic sunroof enhances the driving experience, allowing natural light to flood the cabin and offering stunning views of the sky. With a sleek frameless design, it adds a touch of elegance while providing a sense of openness and spaciousness, perfect for both sunny days and starlit nights. When it comes to performance, the Haval H6 stands out with its powerful and efficient engine options. Equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, it delivers a smooth yet responsive driving experience, providing ample power for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensuring fast and seamless gear shifts that enhance both performance and fuel efficiency. The H6 also offers a well-tuned suspension system that balances comfort. On the road, the Haval H6 is equipped with advanced driving modes, including Sport and Eco, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different driving conditions. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, making it confident and stable, even in challenging weather or road conditions. The cabin is designed to minimize road noise, allowing you to focus on the performance while enjoying a quiet, comfortable ride. For those deciding between the Haval H6 and the Oshan X7 Plus, both vehicles offer impressive features and performance, but it ultimately depends on your priorities. Let us know in the comments.